All right, what is going on today, guys? If you're an SMMA owner or aspiring social media marketing agency owner and you want to get your first client in these next 24 hours to 7 days, make sure you watch this video. I've gotten this video requested probably about 5 to 10 times, so I'm deciding to make it. Right here is my channel. If you guys have not subscribed yet, please just go down below. It means so much to me. If you're an SMMA owner or just a business owner in general, you should be subbed to this channel. The amount of value I've given away already. We are posting every single day, one video a day, either around 10 a.m. Eastern all the way to like 3 p.m. Eastern. We are posting one time every single day, even on Sundays. I have a whole content team in-house. I have an in-house videographer. We are going really, really hard here on YouTube in 2022. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. There is so much value on this, and subscribing is free, and it helps out the algorithm, helps me push out more videos, spend more money on production, whatever the case may be, and it helps me out a ton. So please subscribe. Like the video, helps me a ton, and I appreciate. If you have any videos that you want me to personally make, I've been taking so many suggestions from the comment section. Just comment down below and I'll make a video. I've literally been screenshotting video ideas that I've been getting in my email through the comments from notifications, and people have been loving it. So yeah, let's get right into this. So if you are a freelancer or an SMMA owner right now looking to get their first client, how do you do it this fast? Okay, so there's a couple of options here that I would really recommend you do. And I know some of these options are very cliche, but they actually work very, very well. So first thing is going to be Upwork. Okay, Upwork. Also, there's Marketer Hire. Okay, and you can do multiple things at first. I'm just going to be very upfront. Okay, if you do Upwork, and you can start off really, really small, and you can try to build skills. Like a lot of companies like myself, like if we hire you, we'll give you training, we'll give you tons of tools to advance your skill set. So if you go on Upwork, that's how one of my friends, Troy Erickson, found his first client. I found my first client through a referral and Instagram, and then I was mentioning the page so much, and they just gave me a chance. That's kind of how I got my first client. But right now the world is changing. It's more competitive. Everybody's getting pitched an agency. So how do you really set yourself apart right now? And I think that the biggest thing is really honing in on that one skill set. Okay. And Upwork, you can apply for jobs. And if you do apply for jobs, you're going to want to make a video like this for that business. So say, for example, you're an SMMA agency owner and you're really good at, offer creation, and you want to help with the copy on their landing page, or you're looking at their ads. There's multiple ways that you can give a business owner feedback to stand out. A lot of people apply through these things like Upwork and Marketer Hire, and they're just really boring. Right? They don't really do anything different. They just apply. They're like, hey, this is how much I would charge an hour. This is how much I would charge a month. This is how much talent I have. But it's you have to go above and beyond. And the best way that I would really demonstrate this is going on Loom. Okay. And this is what I'm currently videoing right now. Literally, loom.com is where you can make screen record videos just like this one, going over, a client's ads, their funnels, all that. And you're probably wondering, well, how do I find a client's funnel? Okay, well, there's something called facebook.com. I go to facebook.com right now, and I'm actually, because I'm on the topic of this, I had a client recently who told us a competitor. He was like, hey, use this competitor. And I was like, okay, we're going to use this competitor, I guess. So if you search a business's name, here it is, Myrtle Beach. So if we go to their Facebook page, right? If you scroll to the bottom left-hand corner and you go to page transparency and you go to see all, you can scroll right here and go to this page is currently running ads and go to their ad library. And this is where you can see if they're currently running ads, what they're running their traffic to. And as you can see here, we see pictures, we see what's getting approved by Facebook. We see all these different things. Now, what can we do though? It's not just the ad, it's the offer, it's the landing page. So I can click book now. And I can go to the actual landing page where they're selling it. So I can see what works. Their Facebook pixels on it. I can see what's working. I see what kind of copy they're using. And either you could help them enhance this, or you could, give them more advice on how they could push this for more services and how they could obviously optimize the landing page. Maybe this logo should be transparent, or putting the location up here by the logo, like their business address would help a ton because the relativity. It's all about congruency. And then obviously being able to evaluate the ad copy, because they say here, hey, Myrtle Beach, they say it here, but when you get to the landing page, they don't say it here. So that's where that congruency could be off. They do have good urgency here. That's where you can use Loom to make videos for the business owner going over this stuff and how you can contribute, maybe what past work you've done or what things you would change, or, you know, how you would test certain ad images or whatever the case may be. Or you even go through the funnel as a test and you go to SMMA voucher, you go through and you say, hey, listen, I didn't get a text right away, or I didn't get an email right away. Like, these are the things that you could give as value, shooting a video just like this with my face in the bottom left-hand corner, your face in the bottom left-hand corner, going over this and submitting this with your application to get more eyeballs on you in your application. Okay. And also you can do that through cold Instagram. You can make Loom videos going over, you know, Shopify stores. You know, maybe you're scrolling through your feed, right? And you see an ad for a product and it's not the greatest ad. Well, you can say, hey, listen, this company's running ads, but they're not doing this correctly. And you can literally shoot a Loom video on the spot. You could send the video to yourself on Instagram and you could make the video for them right there. And you can say, hey, listen, like, you're running this video ad, you know, your targeting's off because you're targeting me. You must be targeting males. And then, you know, when you go to the landing page, there's no social proof. There's no pay over time option. There's not enough copy. There's no FAQs. There's no testimonials. There's not this. There's not enough product images. There's the product title is not specific. You know, the add to cart button's hard to see. There's no bio PayPal button. Like, there's so many things that you can give value. There's no urgency. There's no, you know, specificity in the offer. There's no free shipping. There's no like X amount off. There's no perceived value. Like, there's so many things you could point out to somebody just for a quick Loom video just like this that I'm shooting for you right now. So that's how I would get my first client right now. I would either use Upwork, Marketers Hire, or I would just go on Instagram, swipe a lot, and kind of like not be a bottleneck in the process, but to get your first client, you really have to have like your personal brand also established. Like posting content on your IG, having a good bio, build with authority, getting some news articles. You can get news articles from Fiverr, whatever the case may be. Like, it's very cheap to get authority out there. Buy some followers. Like, that's okay if you do that. You need authority when you're cold DMing so people actually listen to you. Okay. And then you would just simply find businesses on Upwork and Marketer Hire or through your Instagram feed that are running ads, and you send them a Loom video just like this. And you go over their website, you go over their ads, you give them your input. And then from there, you could say, hey, listen, like, if you enjoyed this video, like, book a call below. And then you can send them a Calendly link. And then from there, then they can obviously then, you know, book a call with you, and then you can sell them over Zoom. You can close a deal. And obviously, there's other strategies. You could hire VAs, but if you're doing this like with $0, this is the best way to do it. Okay. Upwork requires zero money. Marketers Hire requires zero money. You know, going through, you know, these companies and doing Loom, like, there's a free Loom subscription where you could do Loom and you could send less than 5-minute videos for free. Like, you don't have to spend anything to get your first client. Okay. So kind of just wanted to bring you guys this quick video because I got some requests about it. And I hope this, you know, helped you guys out a lot. If it did, please subscribe to the channel. I have a bunch of videos coming out soon about how I'm closing people through cold DM and also warm traffic as well, just by them sending me a simple word. So make sure you guys stay tuned for those videos, or if they're already up right now, go check them out. But thank you guys again. I'll see you guys in the next video.